Hi there, Trisha here. I'm going to show you trades from yesterday. I actually did not get to trade yesterday because my internet was down for a majority of the day. So what I thought I would do is just show you, based on the three charts, some setups that I would have taken and some that I wouldn't have, and see if that helps at all. These are two setups that I use, one for a longer trade and one for a scalp trade. Lately in this environment, it's been mostly scalp trades. As you can see from the chart on the left, that is a longer tick chart. The middle chart is a small time frame minute chart, and the chart on the right is a smaller tick chart. So I usually start out by looking at the longer tick chart to determine the direction that I'm going to be going in. And right off the bat, looking at that longer tick chart, we're looking short. I don't have anything that's set up first thing in the morning on the longer tick chart over here, but I was thinking that possibly this pullback here might be playable, but it actually closed above the moving average, so I didn't even bother to look and see if that one would work. So I'm going to look at my tick chart and see what would have set up based on our scalp indicators, and so far I've got possibly something here at about 939, 940 that looks like it was setting up, but it's already in oversold territory, so I don't take anything short if it's already in oversold territory, so I move on. I'm not looking for any long, so I'm going to skip all the scalp setups that look like they're setting up long. Moving right along. That did not set up there. Again, long setups, skipping long setups. This is a short setup that would have worked at 958 that I would have taken. I look over here at 958 and my chart is saying I can go short. I look over here at 958 and my indicators are all saying that I can go short. So I would have gone short here under this bar here, and usually I go under the low of the bar that it sets up on, so I would have got in at 786.25, and usually what I do is I scale out. I'll do an order sends order at the time of my placing my order for a profit of +2, and then I'll trail stop using the pivot. So I would have used the trail stop, and I would have been stopped out over here at 786. So +2, let's say, on half a position, and plus a quarter on the other half a position. Of course, it depends on how you're trading your contracts. Some people take 3 lots and break it up into 3 stops, +2, +4, and then trail the last. It really just depends on how many contracts you're trading. If you're trading just one contract and you use the trail stop method, you would have only made a quarter on that. But all of our indicators were showing that we could take that short, but it really didn't go anywhere. This did not set up. This looked like it was going to set up 10:05. Let's see what our indicators look like here. So it looks like it's going to set up, except we're already in oversold territory, and it looks like our other indicator is getting ready to cross over. So I would have passed on that, only because that definitely would not have been a high odds trade. Again, I usually will take shorts in overbought areas and longs in oversold areas, and all those indicators and inputs and so forth you can get at www.easyeeminitrade.com. And see if that can work, if these setups would work for you. The environment that we've had lately, that one's setting up, but we're already in oversold territory, so pass. The environment that we're in lately, it's like the indicators and so forth, are just not all lining up. So, there are people that would still scalp trade, based on just the one indicator, but my choice is not to. I want all of my indicators to be in alignment, and obviously on a trending day you're going to have much better trades than on a non-trending day. So even though we are trending down this morning here until technically about 10:15 or thereabouts, Nothing really set up except for that one trade so far that I would have taken. Let's see here, moving right along. That would have set up there, but again, already in oversold territory, so I would pass. Let's see, 1030, we're up there at 1031. We're not looking for longs just yet, so pass. I want the price to be above both my moving averages, typically to take a long. I don't ever go against the trend. Sometimes in a scalp trade I will trade if the price is between the two moving averages on the longer tick chart, but there has to be a lot of space in between and between the moving averages in order for me to take them, or I will pass. So all these longs that are setting up on the smaller tick chart, I would have passed because my setup is not occurring exactly how I like it. That never set up. This here at 1041 looks like it's setting up. Do I like it? Oversold here, set up here. 1041. 1042. See, I wouldn't have taken it because my indicators are not showing that this has high odds of going higher. It doesn't show that it's trending, and then I've got my ticks in negative territory, so I would have passed on that. Would have worked, but I would have passed on it. Again, I have to have everything in alignment or I'm not going to take it. But some people might not be as strict with their criteria. The short here at 1050 would not have taken it because now, we're still not definitely short. Now we're more on the long side. Again, we're trading between the two moving averages, so we don't have any real definite direction as to which way we're going to go, which usually that's not going to give you very many great scalp trades going off the method that I use. This is already overbought, would have passed. This here at 1104, it's already overbought, so would have passed. Let's see, what time is this here? 1109. Yeah, we're not looking short just yet because that's actually, I think, at this point the high of the day. So I don't go against the trend, so I would definitely never take a short as a counter trend play. That's just not how I trade, but a lot of people are successful picking tops at resistance and bottoms at support, but I don't trade that way. So let's see, we're moving the setup, but we're already overbought, so I pass. Overbought, I pass. Not looking short yet. Let's see what we got here at 12 o'clock. Now, I wouldn't have been trading at 12 o'clock anyway, but let's just go through the motion and see if anything would have set up here. Here's 12 o'clock. You actually could have taken a short if everything's in alignment. Let's see what our indicators are doing on this, our middle time frame chart. I wouldn't have taken it because we're not trending according to my indicators, so I would have passed. This one here, already oversold, so I would not have taken it. $12.11, still not trending. I don't take anything unless my indicator is showing that we're trending. So I would have passed because it doesn't look like we started trending until about 12:30. So I would have passed on everything, let's see, right up until 12:30. So let's just move right along. I had to do this video in two parts because I wound up making it too long, based on the possible trades that I could have taken yesterday. So anyway, make sure you watch part 1 and part 2. Okay, thanks. Bye.